This is my anemometer. It measures how fast and strong the wind is, like this. The electric fan is number 1. It means that this is how strong and fast the wind is. It became slower. The electric fan is now on number 3. It became stronger and faster. We will need these materials. This is the base. These are the 4 cups. We need 5. And we need some pins, 2 straws, the base, clay, and the pencil
with
eraser, and our glue gun or glue. First step, we need to put holes on the plastic cup.
how many holes?
5 holes, 1
So,
here and 4 around. Now we need to insert the straws in the holes like this. The center of the straw. So the black should be at the middle. This side is 12.5 cm. Then we are going to put the other straw.
So, the black should meet
Should be in the middle.
at the center. And then,
The hole here should be a little loose, not extra. We are going to insert the pencil here.
so it's
The eraser should be facing up. Should be at the middle.
and then, what will you do?
Next, we will put a pin at the center.
Wait lang Okay, you inserted the pin.
Yeah, we heated it first before we inserted it. We're going to stick it at the eraser on top. Okay, now we are going to hot glue the 4 cups on the straws. Now we need clay. Put it at the center of the container. Like that. Then put the cover. Now there should be a hole here. This. That's where you will stick the pencil. Now the pencil should stick in the clay.
What's the purpose of sticking?
So it will be straight.
It will stay in place.
Yeah, you stay in place like that. And we need to do more cups. Now we are going to put some decorations like these.